Good evening, YouTubers. Getting ready to paint some of the fender trim here. This is for underneath the fender on this Ford Taurus X. And it's the same old story, you know, it gets faded over the years. Here's what the piece looks like off the car. You know, it doesn't look that bad, but it's definitely not black. It is more gray, I would say. So my new best friend is this product right here, Rust-Oleum Trim and Bumper Paint. I've already painted a few things on it. I did the roof rack, turned it nicely colored. Also the rear deck here, excuse the dirt that's on it, but it was kind of gray, faded also. Now it is nice and black, as opposed to this nasty faded gray here on the other side, which I've already painted the parts. I'm just waiting for them to dry. I haven't put them all back together yet. So I am probably going overboard here, but I think I'm going to restore all of the black trim, especially what's underneath there on the lower side. Most likely we'll do the side mirror trim. Oh, I also did the cowling for the windshield. Look at that. That was all faded and just hideous looking. I just had a new windshield installed as well, because the old one was permanently smudged and had some chips and whatnot. Now it is brand new. Also restored the wiper arms for the windshield wipers. Look at that beautiful stuff. So, you know, this stuff doesn't cost much, you know, $5 a can and whatnot, and you know, it doesn't take all that much effort, but makes a huge difference in the appearance of the vehicle. So we're going to spray this piece here and see how it looks. So we'll be right back. Excuse me if it's a little dark over here. I'm trying to get this done before nightfall, so very easy to do.